Here's a sneak peek at my new soap. Let's see how it turns out. Hi soapy friends, it's Steph from Micas and More. This is the inspiration pic from my soap Summer Scoop. And this is my first video in the Micas and More Makers collaboration. Use the hashtags in the description for more great videos. Let's make soap! For this project I'm using melt and pour soap for the first time. I add some rubbing alcohol to soft pink mica and I add it to the white melted soap base. It was ready to unmold in about an hour. Since this mold makes 4 of the shapes that I wanted, I did another one off screen. Next I add my tussa silk that's cut up into small pieces into the water that has sugar and sodium lactate already added. Then after I've gotten all my safety gear on, I add the lye slowly. Lye is a caustic material and you need to be sure you understand how to properly use it if you're going to learn how to make soap. This is not a complete tutorial, this is just to show you the process. Once my lye water and oils have both cooled to about 100 degrees, I add the lye water to the melted oils. The oils that I use for my recipe are lard, coconut, olive pomace, cocoa butter, and shea butter. I stick blend until it's at an emulsion or maybe a light trace, but I don't want to stick blend too long because I make 3 soaps at a time, each 1-pound batches. And so while the other ones have to sit, I don't want it to set up too much on me. I use my large spoonula to clean off the stick blender. Here I'm mixing some white satin mica in a little bit of my reserved oils. My next color is lemon chiffon mica, and I'm adding white satin mica to make it a pastel. I'll do the same thing with mint cream mica. The main soap color is soft pink mica with white satin mica added. Now I hand stir in the Summer Scoop fragrance oil. It smells just like strawberry ice cream. If it behaves in soap and cures out nicely, I might add it to the store. Let's get this soap in the mold. First I add some plain soap batter so that I can see if the scent is going to discolor the soap. Then I separate about 2 ounces for each of the accent colors. This fragrance oil has 1% vanillin, so I'll have to watch it over time to see how the color is affected. I use the small spoonula to flood the main color over the top of the first portion that I added. I'll do a drop swirl with the remaining colors. I'll use a measuring spoon to design the top, but mostly I'm checking to see if it's set up enough to add my embeds. It's not quite there yet. To give it a little more height, I'll add the remaining soap on top. Now that all of the soap is added, I'll try my design again. And now let's try these adorable little ice cream cones. I probably should have let it set up a little longer, but I'm new to embeds and I need a little more practice. I dusted the top with stellar white mica, and then I put this one to bed. And here's the cut soap pics. Please use the hashtags in the description to find the other great videos in the Micas and More Spring 2020 YouTube collaboration. I've been involved in a different collaboration and I was so inspired by my fellow soapers that I thought I would ask my group members if they'd like to make some videos too. so please check them out and show your support. You can order the products used here at micasandmore.com. You can share what you've made and find out what items are coming up next in my Facebook group, Steph's Micas and More. Thanks for watching.